I think that day I don't shouted. We dey sell catalyst, no. We dey sell catalyst. So my name is Julie Ibekwe. Keep walking.
See this one now. The driver was driving 90 kilometers per hour somewhere along Petit Road. Now this car just divided into two. Pia. But the good news now say the driver was not hurt. But guess what? The driver was separated from his side chick because the girl was at the back, ordering for things. Baby, how about the hair? Baby, how about the vacation? And the car was So personally, I think it was the prayer of the wife that caused this.
As far as automobile and general product reviews is concerned, she is the most influential female content creator in Nigeria. Also, her affiliation with PAMTECH, which is the biggest auto repair and after-sales garage in the southeastern part of Nigeria, appears to have orchestrated her big break in the automobile industry. Her humor angle to automobile reviews reverberates with people of little or no knowledge about high and low-end automobile machines. She is no other than Julie Ibekwe.
My name is Julie, on social media, Julie Ibekwe, and I work for PAMTECH Group as a content creator.
According to research, the Toyota Camry can be a bit slow on high speed. That's what they said on Consumer Reports. You understand? So, but although when you drive it, the ride can be smooth. But who needs a smooth ride now? A rough ride can be more interesting.
I am primarily an automobile content creator and also.
She believes talking about cars without a touch of humor can be boring, hence her unique approach to automobile reviews.
I feel like talking about cars as cars can be boring.
Okay.
What is there to talk about? Okay, see, and see gearbox, so you understand? So I feel like it's boring when you just talk about this.
Yeah.
So you just need to spice it up.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of people don't even know that cars are meant to be enjoyed, and there are a lot of interesting things about cars.
Cars are like women. You're the one who said it.
Sometimes Honda they do BBL, so you can get it in hatchback and coupe, anyone way you want. But Camry is just this variant for this one. Make your choice. Do you like them? Or
Cars are like electric, some cars. But it's true now. And then some cars are like Ikorodu babes.
Yeah, so and different maintenance for different specs of.
It's just how it happens in real life. As a lucky girl now.
There you are.
Yeah, there's some things you cannot give to me.
Okay.
But an Ikorodu girl will take that.
Yes.
And so when you drive the Camry, you already know you are with an Ikorodu girl.
So you can see what I'm actually saying. She brings this spice to automobile content creation, and that makes it so superb.
Has she always wanted to be a content creator? If not, how did the psychology graduates become so efficient with automobile reviews that requires a lot of technicalities? Please take a listen to her.
Okay, so I finished 2022 October, and so someone recommended me to the company. I was still in school, and the person was like, I know this girl, and she's like really cool, and I think she can. I was not hired to be a content creator. I was hired to be a sales representative.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
So how did you
Okay, so I got to the company and I just sat down there taking calls and taking online messages and stuff. So one day somebody just said, Julie, come, let's go to the garage. You get and talk about this car. I think that day I don't shouted, we dey sell catalyst, we dey sell catalyst. I know that like what they say, dress is history. Trust me, I don't think before then I would never have said that I create content. Yeah. I just know I have this lively personality.
Not to talk about content that are very technical.
I read psychology.
So there's no correlation.
There is no. I just have to learn. I read psychology, and then PAMTECH Group. We have like PAMTECH Autoland. We have like 50 qualified professional technicians. So I have to sit under them. I have to start learning because I love creating, and I found out I love creating content, and I also love cars because it's complex. I'm not a simple person. I love complex things. So because
you're
it's
complex woman.
I'm a normally. So because it's complex and I can find a way to simplify it, I just fell in love. So I had these guys there that put me through.
The technical.
So they were like, this is a combustion chamber. This is what happens here. I was like, okay, combustion. And when I started getting the content and I don't even know the right terms to use, I go rugged now. You understand? I go rugged now.
And except you can find your way to my garage, I don't know where you will garage. Yeah, that was supposed to be funny. Did you laugh?
Before Uncle, what I said.
Because people
As
will
a
drag me in the
lucky girl.
comments.
Well, of course, I mean,
Oh, why you there? People will drag me in the comment section. No problem.
FWRQ. Your tire is not supposed to exceed 4 years. So if your car tire has exceeded 4 years, you are simply driving on a danger zone, and someone that is friend zoned will be better than you in the nearest future. So please, I don't really care about you. You can use it for 12 years if you want, but you are a safety concern to the Nigerian passing. Even my ex-father herself they pass, and you are a concern. Wow. So please change that car tire. Best way get this car get sugar baby. And the girl herself dey front of car. She don't know say her life they are tricks.
An aspect that remains a mystery with Julie Ibekwe is the fact that she is a different person in her quiet time. I mean, outside creating content, she can be as calm and quiet as can never be imagined.
There's a personality people see
out there.
Yeah, the one I'm trying to portray right now. But people that know me beyond this point, they know I'm a very calm person. You don't believe. I will not.
I don't believe in it.
I will not. Don't worry, people that know me, I will not talk to you. I will sit down with you. I can be in the office all day and not say a word to anyone.
Is that possible?
It is. My colleagues are here. I'm not saying a word to anyone. I mean, and you get, I'm like, people don't know. I'm an ambivert. I have like a part of me that is, you understand.
But dressing further on this, she says, content creation has helped me to rediscover myself.
Content creation has changed my life. Like, normally, you understand. So content creation has actually helped
brought out that other part
to bring out a part of me. So I feel like I'm now living.
So you rediscovered yourself.
I rediscovered myself to bring out a part of me that has been there.
You didn't even know existed.
You understand? Right? Has been dormant. I brought it up and it's beautiful.
And people appreciate your work, and how does that resonate with you?
I didn't know that it was that easy for people to start identifying you and all. When I started creating content and just being out there, I didn't think it would ever come to the point where I'll walk on the street and people be like, say Julie.
They talk at you.
But then it's not happening. Even on my personal channel.
You can talk for Africa, let's not lie.
Because I only talk here. When I leave here, I go and recharge the energy.
Yeah.
So I don't talk. You understand?
Air spray, body spray, all of them, remove them, give me. See, once those things come in contact with the heat of your car, they can explode. And if it does, you now know.
Since content creation has become a new way of life for her, what then informs Julie Ibekwe's style of content creation? Here's what she has to say.
So generally, when you look at both automobile and every other aspect, you probably want to create content.
Yeah.
What is your inspiration?
Okay, first off, I think that's why when I create automobile content, I make it in that way. But I think first off, people should enjoy what you create. Yeah. So I just have this whole thing about wanting to entertain, wanting to inspire, and then I want to pass a message. I want to pass a message because a lot of people think maybe you have to be a certain way or look a certain way to do some kind of thing. So I just want to let people know that there's beauty in simplicity.
When you open the back of the Toyota Camry, you find out that it looks like that room that they hang picture frame everywhere. It's comfortable and spacious. But then when you go to the back of the Honda Accord, it's that room with blue lights. That room that says you avoid.
Tell us, what is the nexus between your personality and the content that you create? What's the connection?
Okay, one thing that will be a constant will be that if you watch my content and you perceive me to be an easygoing person, it's true. Like, you understand? It's just there's no. And again, my contents are not. They are not staged managed. I try to be as real as possible.
Yeah.
If you watch my videos, I edit even my mistakes into the video, so you see that I don't have to be all perfect at all. Because I know some people watching right now, they want to create content, but they are not proud of how their stomach looks. You're not proud of how your feet is looking. You don't have like the right dentition. You're not proud of your height and all. But I'm trying to let you know that everything does not have to be in place for you to create content and for you to be influential. Everything. I know those people that you're looking at, the very tall people, and they are fine.
Like people like us. Like you're looking at me from like this, and I'm like,
you know, when I say I'm down to earth, I mean it in both ways. I'm down to earth, and I'm down.
So let's say conclusively, content creation. How do you think content creation is changing the landscape of the Nigerian economy and the ecosystem there?
Okay, I think the emergence content creation has been there, right? But the way it's coming right now, I think I know people that are in secondary school that tell me I want to grow up and become a content creator. I love it. It's lovely. I think it's a good thing. I think parents should actually empower their kids to say, I want to create content, and then try to help him or her discover the sphere that she can, I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. It's also easy money if you ask me. So I think
Yes, sorry. So generally it's changing.
it is changing, like it's doing a lot. It's doing a lot. I know some people, I don't know if I can say this, but I know some people that migrated from fraud to content creation.
But of course, I mean, what's human without evolving?
You understand?
Why be say you do the year one, this boy? Why you do the year one? Give me that laptop. Oh yeah, give me that medicated glasses. Don't you know that the lens of the medicated glasses does not need high temperature? You store it here, it can spoil. And even if it does not spoil, it will not be useful again to you. Bacterials. Wait, where you go? Where you go?
What is it you don't like about content creation?
I think for me, what I don't like about content creation is you can't change it. Is how people have their opinions about you in the comment section. I mean, I can stand under the sun for 6 hours, 7 hours trying to bring out something.
Nobody will see that part.
Nobody will see that part when they want to just when they drag you. A little mistake, and then you be like, why couldn't you? But they can't. They really cannot say. So I feel like if they can just cut us like a little
Some slack.
and give us more grace. Now human being will be with flesh and blood. No perfect fast like this.
I have an advice, but it's not audible. Let's stop here.
My name is Julie Ibekwe. Keep watching Walker Diary.
Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification sign beside the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get notifications when we drop new videos. Like, share and comment all of our videos.